From your WordPress page or post, go to the Post menu. Click on the immediately link next to the Publish option. You'll now see a pop-up calendar. In order to change the month, click on one of the arrows. Click on the day that you want your page or post to go live. Click on and type in the hour you want. Click on and type minutes if so desired. Choose AM or PM. Click on the Schedule button. Verify that you have scheduled your post correctly, and then click the Schedule button again. Your post is now scheduled and it will be published on the date that you selected.